Hey everyone, I was going to show you how we get ready for trach care for the week. We have to do trach care daily. One of those days we do a trach change, so that kit's a little bit different with the trach in it, and then also with the water-based lube that we have to use to insert it into his stoma. This right here is just a Kindle foam. We cut this at the end and then we cut it in the center and make a little T shape to make it fit around his trach and make it more comfortable around his stoma. I think this process is actually the longest because we do so much cutting, and this is kind of the longest part of the whole thing. Then we use a template to cut his trach ties. It makes it easier to know the length, and the hospital actually made us that before we left, so it's been really helpful. And we cut 7 of those as well, 1 for each day. And then we move on to water wipes. I'm trying a new thing where I put soap on the water wipes. I cut them up into halves, and I'm gonna see how well they keep in the little baggies. I might end up scrapping this whole idea and going to something else. I did end up switching to Pampers water wipes middle through the video because I saw something on the other wipes that looked like mold, and I freaked out and threw them all away. So I'm a psycho. Anyways, so I bag each one of those, one with soap, and I label it with an S, and then the other one is just the water. I also put in gauze in each bag so we can dry his neck before doing the CeraVe healing ointment that you see in the front. That seems to help him not have so much irritation on his neck, and it's worked pretty well for us. I also sometimes do water on a gauze with soap, and so we're going to try the water wipes this week and see how it goes.